got a little progress report here. I picked up a front axle. It is an assembly from one of my customers. He would build these trucks as well. He just installed new leaf springs. Truck he took it off of had about 100,000 miles on it, so it's even a little less than mine. I'm just gonna put that in as an assembly. I took this one. Gonna take this one off for now. I pulled this one out. I took off this leaf spring. I'm gonna try to roll it under there. And then, as you can see, hood is off. Bumper, finally got it off. And then small stuff like that. Need to take that pipe off to get the part number off of it. Put those brackets on. Main goal is right now, take this off, put this in, and then put the engine straight, replace the engine mounts. So let's get to work. Alright, so we're back here again by this truck. As you can see, we got this little bracket replaced. Got the axle underneath the truck. I took the belts off, fan blade. I took the tensioners off because they were really rusted and I just probably want to replace them. And we also have that little thing when the engine shifted, broke that little coolant housing pipe thing. I already got that. Small stuff here and there. Goal for today is to put it on the front wheels. So I want to start putting these leaf springs on. I'm going to start picking that up and securing that. Then I got rims and tires. I got to mount the rims onto the tire. We'll be doing that. And then we'll see where we get today when we get done. But the main goal is to put it on its wheels to be able to start working on the motor safely, to be able to replace the engine mounts. That'd be the goal. That's the main thing I want to get done, is get the engine straight. So without taking up too much time, let's get to work. So this took me a little longer than expected. Couldn't record, but we are mounted. We got this air hose on. Front's over here mounted. This side's mounted as well. I'm just kind of scared to pick it up by the front because I don't know what the motor and tranny is going to do. So I might just go ahead and jack up the motor and tranny and try to get the mount in to be safe, because I don't want that engine and tranny going on the ground. So I'll probably try to jack it up right now and let's get that broken mount replaced, because that's what's left of the mount right there. So thankfully the mount broke and not the housing. These mounts are usually supposed to withhold a lot of force, but luckily this time, right there, that's the mount. And see, the mount is holding right there. And that thing can give it any time. So I want to eliminate that problem and get that taken care of to have the motor sitting straight. doing a big leap here. Last time truck was seen, it was a little bit more together. Now we took this fuel tank off. Got a little mess going on, but we got the new used fuel tank in. Gonna get it polished up. Got a mess of pipes here. This pipe right here. This one I need is $1,200. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do about that. We got the brackets off. Got the new whole DPF cage right here. Got my little helper. So we're gonna put the DPF into here and then slap it onto the truck. And then I took the fan blade off, the tensioners. I'm replacing all them days. These rollers I'm replacing. I got a little thing pushing the engine. As you can see, the engine has a little bit more space now, a little more clearance right here. We got the motor mounts on. The new motor mounts are on. The engine is now sitting on the motor mounts, not on the frame. We got this thing on. We just gotta tighten it. Put it on and secure it. Got this thing replaced. Just gotta tighten it. Got the front axle on. Front axle is tight. Just gotta put the wheels on to secure the front end and then move on to the rear. Because I want to get the front on its own wheels until we start taking the rear apart. But I have new wheels and tires, so just gotta install those. And also a big thing, got this oil cooler off. I believe that's the broken one. Got that off. Got the new one. That's gonna go right there. And also broke this little coolant housing. Gonna replace that as well. All he wants to do is talk on the radio. So I've been having my dad and a helper taking the truck apart. That's why haven't been getting footage. But I'll take the help because I'm just super busy with other people's trucks. But it's slowly coming together, coming apart for now. But it'll slowly start coming together here soon. Looks like a big mess right now, but should start looking better here soon. Gonna be able to take out those stands from under the truck once it's on its wheels. And then I believe I'll have to get the new axle housing in the back because I think it bent it. I think it bent it in the back because it's leaking from under there too. It's leaking a little there. And I'm trying to order some parts for this APU because it seems that it spins, so I think the motor might be good. I got the fairing ordered, both of them. Pretty much got all the parts except for time. That's the only thing I need. So we'll be getting on it shortly, and we'll be going from there.